Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to crochet cute mini bird. So please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press a bell icon for latest uploaded videos notification. I'm using hook size 1.75 mm. So let's start crocheting. We will start first with the magic loop. Then take the hook and pull the yarn. Hold the loop. Then chain 1 through the loop. This is called a magic loop or a magic ring. Now we will work 5 single crochet through the center of the loop. 1. We will mark through the first single crochet. Will not count chain 1. That is the part of magic loop. Then second single crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 single crochet. Then pull the short yarn and make a first round or a row. Remove the mark and through that stitch work single crochet of second round. First single crochet of second round. We will mark it. In second round we will work 2 single crochet in each stitch. So in the first stitch again we will work 1 more single crochet. Same stitch, 1 more single crochet, that is 2 single crochet. Then in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Work 2 single crochet in each stitch and complete the second row. After 10 single crochet we will remove the mark and make a mark in the last stitch of the second row. Total 10 stitches including the mark stitch. Now in next row, third row, in third round we will work 1 single crochet in each 10 stitches. 1, this one is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 10th in the stitch mark. This one is our 10th single crochet. Then again make a mark in the last stitch of third row. 1, 2, 3. Total 3 rows are now complete. Now in next fourth row we will work 2 single crochet in first stitch, 1 and 2. Then in next 4 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 1 single crochet in 4 stitches. Then in next stitch we will work again 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then in next 4 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 3 and fourth 1 single crochet in the stitch mark, stitch. Again make a mark in the last stitch of fourth row. There are 4 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then in next fifth row 1 single crochet in each stitch. We will work 1 single crochet in each stitch throughout the row. The fifth row, then sixth row. In first stitch we will work 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then in next 3 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then again in next 3 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Then in next stitch 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Then in last 3 stitches 1 single crochet, 1, 2 and last mark 1 stitch. This one is third single crochet. Make a mark in the last stitch of sixth row. Then for seventh row work 1 single crochet in each stitch. For 7th and 8th row we will work 1 single crochet in each stitch. Complete the 7th and 8th row. Total 8 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then pull the yarn, leave it. And now we will make a mark for the wings of the bird. In the 5th round from the top, we will take a yarn and make a mark in this manner. In the same row on the opposite side also we will make a mark. On the mark stitches we will work wings. On one mark I have crochet the wing. On the opposite side I will show you how to crochet the wing. Remove the mark and insert the hook. Take a yarn with a slip knot. Pull through loops and chain 3. Then work double crochet through the stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and make a slip stitch through the mark stitch. This is how we will crochet the wings of the bird. Then pull the yarn, cut the yarn, we will take the yarn to the inner side and protect the ends with the knot. we will continue the crocheting the next row, that is ninth row. In first two stitches we will work 2 single crochet together, 2 single crochet together. We will work in the outer loop of the stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn. In next stitch, insert the hook and pull the yarn and go through the all loops on the hook. This is the 2 single crochet together. Then in next stitch, 1 single crochet. We will work alternate 2 single crochet together and then 1 single crochet in next stitch. Continue the same stitches throughout the row and fill the cotton. Then next row, that is last row, 10th row, work 2 single crochet together in each 2 stitches. Total 5 2 single crochet together we will work in the last 10th row. complete the bird, stick the eyes with the help of glue. And if you really enjoy the video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.